chef de bataillon Otele Mebweka Sidney. Prenez le commandement.
Appointed as the commander of the 53rd Motorized Infantry Battalion by presidential decree on August 12, 2025, Major Otele Mebweka C has officially been installed on Tuesday, September 23, 2025 by General Sergio Wasoni Roberts, commander of the 51st Motorized Infantry Brigade. The new commander of the 53rd Motorized Infantry Battalion, with headquarters in Wum, controls the entire Menchum and Boyo divisions. His first mission is to ensure security during and after the upcoming presidential election. The installation ceremony was animated by traditional dances in the presence of General Buba Debi Krio, commander of the 5th Military Region, Abdullahi Alui, the senior divisional officer for Menchum Division,